How to block a number or contact on iPhone 8 Plus. First, open the Phone app on your iPhone. If you want to block a number from your recent calls, tap Recents at the bottom. Find the phone number or contact you want to block and tap the info icon next to it. Scroll down and tap Block this caller. A confirmation message will appear. Tap Block Contact to confirm. You can also block someone directly from your contacts. Open the contacts, select the contact you want to block, scroll down and tap Block this caller. Tap Block Contact to confirm. Once blocked, that person won't be able to call or send you text messages normally.
And FaceTime calls from that number will also be blocked. To unblock the contact later, tap Unblock this caller. And that's how you can block or unblock a number or contact on your iPhone 8 Plus. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.